back to my channel. I'm Ace Urana and you're watching another episode of course, Piece of Cake. Today we're gonna do a simple thing, but before that, I just want to wish everyone for their safety and praying that everyone in your family and your friends are safe today. Alam kong this coronavirus has been getting into us, each country, but know that, like I always say na, the Lord will not give us anything that we cannot bear. And pag dumating tayo sa point na, you know, that it's too much for us, He will provide a way out. So, remember that this will pass. Stay strong mga kapatid. Just keep on praying and of course, do our part. Wash our hands. My hands are so dry, but that's fine. Let's just do our little parts to stay healthy and keep the virus away from our family and everyone around us. Know that I'm praying for all of you guys as I pray for my family as well. For those who are quarantined, you know, meron ding good things na dinudulot ang pagiging quarantine. It's a time for bonding with your family. I just watched this video in Facebook and I actually shared it sa Italy. I think they're in a compound or in a condo, and then on their balcony they just take out their instruments and they just party along with on the balcony. See, diba? There's so much thing to be positive about even if you're in quarantine, right? So let's not put coronavirus into us. Let's fight it off. We can do this. This will pass. The Lord is with us and He will never leave us nor forsake us. And napansin niyo ba ang t-shirt ko? In line with the International Women's Day, that was last Sunday, so I just thought I should wear this shirt. Look at that. Hard-working woman. My husband gave this to me. I guess I'm hard-working. My husband gave this to me, and this is from actually Spoof in the Philippines. They make this awesome shirts with a spoof on a lot of brand. They made spoof on popular characters like Wonder Woman and of course the brands. If you want to check it out, you can Google it, Spoof Philippines. Spoofs. S-P-O-O-F-S. So for today, I just wanted to share with you a very simple buttercream frosting recipe. It is my first time actually to learn about this, and I was like, oh, pwede pala yun. So I'm gonna try this. It's called Condensed Milk Buttercream Frosting. Very simple. There's only 3 things that you will need. Actually, 2 things lang yung required. 1 is optional. The first one is your 400 to 450 grams salted butter, 1 can condensed milk, and this is optional, half teaspoon of vanilla extract. I use salted butter so that I don't have to put in a pinch of salt. Ngayon, if you don't have salted butter, you only have unsalted one, it's okay. Just add a little pinch of salt to it. So the first thing we will do is beat our salted butter for 3 minutes. So beat it until it becomes light and fluffy. And then add in your condensed milk. 1 can of condensed milk. Ooh, that looks yummy. Then beat it again. Add in your optional vanilla extract. Then beat it again for about 3 minutes. So, siguro mga 3 minutes beating, but of course, it's up to you until you reach your desired consistency. Sa akin, siguro mga 5 minutes. I think this is okay for me now. I divided the buttercream frosting into 2. Well, actually, may sobra pa naman. Ito lang, I just put 2 here. So, just to make it a little bit more fun, diba? Let's add coloring to our buttercream frosting. So I have here teal from Wilton Colors, teal and golden yellow. Wala lang, yun lang napili kong kulay. And this is our buttercream frosting. So I have 2 piping bags here. Yung pinagsama ko yung teal and yellow natin, golden yellow. This is horizontal. Ito naman, yellow at the bottom, and then dinagdag ko lang yung natirang teal dito. So once yellow runs out, yung teal naman yung makikita natin. I have pre-baked cupcakes here. And you know what? I must say, ang bango ng amoy niya. And it looks stable na magsastand siya with your piping decorations. I'm using tip 18. It's a star tip as well, pero smaller than the 21. And then this is tip 2D, a bigger one for a bigger cupcake. So let's try one. Ang bango talaga niya. So, and it's very smooth and it looks stable pagdating sa pagpapipe. Ang smooth niya. And you can smell the condensed milk. Ang sarap. At saka hindi siya masyadong matamis. I love this. I think ito na yung gagawin kong recipes. Not unless ayaw siguro ng mga kakain ng condensed milk. But I'm gonna go for this instead of sugar, of icing sugar. And the husband is here. Patikimin natin siya. Come here.
Talaga ba? Ito yung favorite part ko, yung tikima na. This is the moment I've been waiting for.
This is a buttercream, a condensed milk buttercream frosting.
Condensed milk
Buttercream frosting. So yung frosting ko is made out of just condensed milk and butter with a little bit of vanilla. Hindi matamis, no?
Hindi. Kaya makakarami ka.
Yeah. It's very smooth, right?
Yeah.
How about the taste, Dad?
That's good.
Yes. So based
Perfecto mundo.
on my critic husband, it's very good. Sobra, guys, and I'm really hoping that you're gonna try this. This is really good. I think this is the recipe that I'm gonna use for moving forward with my cakes in terms of buttercream frosting. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you hit a like button on this video, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Once again, my name is Ace Orana, and this is my husband John Orana, wishing you guys a safe quarantine kung kayo under quarantine. God bless you all, guys. Stay safe. Bye.